Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted object from video. This is CapCut tutorial. So if you use this CapCut application as your video editor, you can remove object from your video. So let's tap on one of your projects. So I took this project from library, so you can practice yourself in this library. I want to remove a thing on the wall. So just tap on your video and make duplicate. Here on the first video you can make overlay. As you can see, there are two videos here. So tap on the second one at the bottom, the overlay, and try to use mask. This one, mask, and use the rectangle and try to adjust the rectangle on the blank space. This one, try to use in the darker one. Done. And try to cover like this. Try to adjust the size here. And I think it's enough, but you need to do this precisely. So let's see. So maybe you can do better than me, but the point is the same. You have to make overlay and use mask. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.